Okay, fourth graders, today for the bulk of our lesson, we're going to be working in our student book page on page 230, and it's going to be titled Perimeter Problems. So that should give you an indication about what you are solving for. You are going to be working with perimeter. So make sure you are using your formulas, but you're not just going to be finding the perimeter. Sometimes you might have to find a dimension, a perimeter. You might have to use other types of problems that we've been working on, multiplication or division, and those strategies to find the missing piece to solve for these problems. So you're going to use the perimeter and the known dimension to find the length of the missing dimension for each rectangle. Okay, so number one, rectangle A, here it is. You know the perimeter is 72 feet. If you want to write 72 feet in the inside of your rectangle, that might be a good idea. You know the perimeter is 72 feet. You know one of the dimensions is 30 feet. You need to figure out the dimension of the last, or of the short dimension. Use what you know about the formula for perimeter to help you find this answer. You can show your work on both sides here. When you have it, please write the dimension here in this box and here in this missing, where it says dimension A, that blank line. Rectangle B for number 2. You know you have a perimeter of 738 meters. This time dimension A is 199 meters, and you're finding dimension B. Again, show all your work using the formula for perimeter to help you. What is the missing dimension? Please write it in this rectangle, the shaded rectangle, and on the blank line. Okay, number 3 for rectangle C, you notice it doesn't have a rectangle. The directions say, please make your own labeled sketch here. Do it just like this. You know you have a perimeter of 500 miles. Dimension A is 125 miles, and dimension B is something. So I should see your sketch look exactly like rectangles A and B. Okay. Then on page 231, you're going to finish your problems. You have 2 more. Both of these, for number 4 and 5, or D and E, you have to make your own labeled sketch. D, you have a total perimeter of 129 yards. Dimension A, you don't know, and dimension B is 37 yards. Again, you have plenty of room to do your work on here, or if you can't, take a picture of your work on your whiteboard and insert all your work on the slide. And here's a challenge one. For rectangle E, you have a perimeter of 3,465. One of your dimensions is 952, and you have to solve the other one. Remember, we're working on perimeter. You can use that formula to help you solve for these problems. Okay, good luck.